Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my used car pick of the week, the 2019 Chevy Colorado Z71. Now this vehicle only has 1,255 miles on it and has never been in an accident. It is a four-wheel drive truck that comes with a V6 engine. As you can see here, it does come with a tonneau cover, your custom black Chevy decals, back tinted windows, and 17 by 8 inch dark agent metallic cast alloy wheels. Now when we get in this vehicle, you can see that we do have leather seating throughout the entire vehicle. When it comes to the front, we do have a charger for your phone, heated seating, a Chevy MyLink radio, a heated steering wheel, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.